morning, folks. Bit of a game this morning getting this thing going. This bloody wood, the only stuff I've got left, is all wet inside. I didn't realise. It's one of the pieces that I picked up at the side of the road the other day. It's been really hard. Luckily I found some hardboard and stuff in the back. Managed to sort of get it half going. But yeah, not ideal. I'm going to have to go down today and go find some proper firewood, because otherwise I've got no chance. The forecast for tomorrow is -8, so it's pretty bloody cold now. I do have the diesel heater, obviously, but I've not put any diesel in it for a while. I'm trying not to, if I can help it. Obviously the diesel heater rinses the power, and it's also costing diesel. Kind of want to keep the jerry can on the back full, just in case I can't get to a petrol station. Could probably go back to that petrol station where I was, fill up the diesel heater tank, and then refill the jerry can. Could probably do that. That would be the best option, I think. So I've got a bit if I need it, like this morning. This was a joke this morning. Oh my god. I've not really put the van in proper winter mode yet because it's been sort of on and off. But I need to get the blankets on the bed and start putting the hatch cover on and all of that lot. Blinds on all the windows because it's getting cold now. I know I'm here by choice, before anyone says. I know this is my choice to be here, and I am prepared for it because I love it. I love being in the cold like this. It's such a challenge. Everything's a challenge. It really sort of simplifies life, and you just focus on the core things of like staying warm and making sure you got power. And you know, it just, I think it's brilliant. It's like primal almost. I couldn't even hold the camera when I first got up. When I first checked it, it was like 2 degrees in here, which is only a couple over what it is outside. I think it's about -2 out there now. Oh, I love it. That's the view out my window right now. It's just barren. Fantastic. I'm getting ready to haul out. I'm gonna head off the mountains. See if I can find some wood. Otherwise I've got no chance staying up here without that. Unless I'm gonna rinse through all my diesel heat, which I'm not gonna do. Saving that for emergencies. My fire ran out halfway through editing, so I've been sat here in a coat the whole time. Yeah, let's do it. You see the conditions now, folks, have gone pretty bleak. Still people having fun though. Oh, right. Well, this is pretty horrendous. Definitely need to be taking it easy in these road conditions. Right folks, so I came back up and I'm going back down the other side now because I know there's forest this way, and I wasn't sure the other direction, so I didn't want to keep going and not find anything. Look at this view though, that is mega. So on the way down folks, I just spotted this house and I've just got to get a photo of that. With that, the mountain in the background. Oh, it's got to happen. I'm just going to run over and shoot this handheld, just quick. I'm not going to set all the camera up and stuff, but I will show it because that definitely caught my eye. Right, be right back. That was deeply unpleasant. Let's see what I got. I think I got a nice one. It's just so random, that's why I like it. Yeah, I love that. That looks quality. Awesome. I'll throw that up for you now while we carry on driving. Over here, massive forest in there, so I'm going to have a look, see what I can find. Here we go, this is what we're after. Nice big one, all dry. Perfect. I'll saw this thing up. Yeah, that further down I got that tree, the wetter it got. So I'll just come up a bit further. Look at this tree. How weird is that? Should be able to find some in here, it's a bit thicker. Plenty of dead stuff. It's soaked. Right folks, I've done my first load. Pretty rubbish to be honest. It was either soaking or too far gone. So I'm just going to drive a little bit further down, see if I can find anything else. I got a bag full and a couple of logs. The logs are a bit damp, but take what you can get I suppose. I'll have to try and dry them out around the burner once I get it lit. But yeah, I'll go a bit further down now, see what else we can find. Right folks, I ain't filmed much for the last hour or so. What I've been doing is, I got some more wood. It's not a lot, so because of that, I've just filled up my diesel heater tank because it was pretty much empty. So at least I now have that as the backup, which I didn't have before because it was obviously empty and it was way too cold up there to be faffing around. It's such a ball ache. I designed that very poorly, the placement of that heater tank. My jerry can's obviously half empty now, so I'm going to swing by that petrol station again because it's a pretty good price, fill it up and also have a look if he has any like heat logs or anything. So I did get a fair bit of wood, probably a couple of days worth, but again, like even the driest bits I could find are still a bit damp. Thing is, the driest wood is the limbs up in the trees, like the sort of half dead trees, and then they've got the big dead limbs, but I'm not going to start pulling them off because I don't need to right now. You know, if the situation was different and it was like trying to survive, then I wouldn't give a shit, I'd just get whatever. But you know, I feel bad lopping at forests and stuff when it's just like me and my van, you know. So I only take dead standing or dead stuff that's, if it's on the ground, normally it's pretty much done at this time of year anyway. But things that are like fell and caught in trees and stuff, they're always good to get. Well, in the forests in this area are like man-made sort of you know, forestry things. So it's all this soft, like, is it pine? I guess it's pine, some sort of pine, I don't know. But it's all soft wood and it's real, like, as soon as it drops, that's it. It just gets drenched, so it's not very good. Right, I'm going to pull a 180 and nip to that petrol station on the way back up. And then, yeah, probably chill up there again tonight, I think. Calm yourself down. Alright, let's do it. Just stumbled across something pretty funny as I'm pulling my 180. Sake, man. Keeping it classy. So there we go, done. Okay. Even got myself a bar of chocolate. And I've just cleaned all my hands off and everything after going in there. There was no one else in there. Strange times we're in at the minute. Anyway, filled up the jerry can, topped the fuel tank back up, and also did something I never do, which is buy a pack of firewood. So yeah, good to go now. Onwards, back up the mountain. I've been paid a visit, folks. Gordon next door. He's brought me some wood and some whiskey. What a legend. Probably not going to film a great deal more today. It's been quite a slow day. You know, sorting bits and bobs out and searching for bloody firewood. So I'll probably just keep it a short video today, I reckon. Trying to get this fire going though, that'll be a damn good start. Thanks again for the wood, mate. Much appreciated. There we go, we're cooking now. the fruits of today's labour. Not bad, got some more in the back. I like that, it's much more rewarding than being paid money. You know, a couple of hours work and now I know I've got heat for the next few days. Direct trade work for reward. None of it cost a penny, apart from the wood that I bought, but we'll skim over that. God, I nearly went to bed again without signing off, folks. Yeah, sorry, it's just a sort of quick video today. Just how it is. Didn't really do a lot, so spent my day digging around in forests. Not sure what the plan is tomorrow yet, as always, but we'll see. Might stay up here, or I might go. I don't know, because I'm probably going to head back round to Aviemore side. So I may, I don't know, maybe I'll stay up here and ski on Monday. Maybe I'll just head round there and ski on Monday. I don't know yet. See how it pans out, see what the weather's saying, all of that good stuff. Right, I'm going to sleep. It's bed o'clock, so I'll see you all tomorrow. Catch you in a bit.